Hello guys, you're welcome to Essential Kitchen. Today we are going to make your homemade sardine bread. Stay tuned. If this is your first time coming across my channel, I say welcome and thank you for watching. Guys, you're welcome back. My baby is saying hello. Okay, in here we have our ingredients. We have our flour, liquid milk, butter, sardine, salt, flavor, egg, water, sugar, yeast, bread improve. Before we kick start, I want us to measure our key recipes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. If you find my video helpful, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. If you are new to my channel, I say welcome and thanks for watching. To my fans, I say God bless you and thank you for staying with me. Okay, we are measuring 1.5 kg. Then after that, we need to sieve the flour. Very important. Sieve your flour to remove unwanted dirt. The next thing is to measure your sugar. Then add to your flour. Measure your butter. And set aside. Then put your milk, flavor, salt, and bread improve. Mix all together. Okay, the next thing is to add your yeast. Mix everything thoroughly together. Add your egg. Add your butter. Mix, rub it in. Then to that, add your liquid milk and water and flavor. Then add your sardine oil. Bring everything together to combine. As you mix, you add your water gradually. Check the full recipe on the description section. Thank you for watching. If you find my video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe, like and share. Don't let your dough to be too thick or too light. This is the consistency you should get so that it will be easier for you to knead. You are going to knead and knead for you to have a very nice bread. You will knead until your dough stop breaking. You will knead it until your dough starts stretching. It will be stretchy and very smooth and light. That's when you know that your dough is okay. You can see the dough is breaking now. By the time we are done kneading this dough, it will be very stretchy like chewing gum. That's when you know that your dough is ready to bake. Okay, you can see it, you can see the consistency, you can see it's very stretchy now. And for you to know that your dough is ready, when you press it, it will bounce back. You can see how it is now. It will bounce back. Time to cut it. We are going to make it in different ways. We're going to make dinner rolls and with bigger pan. So thank you for watching. If this is your first time coming across my video, I say welcome, like and share, and subscribe to my channel. Also give me a thumbs up if you find my video helpful. Now we are going to match our sardine. You can see what I'm doing. This is for dinner rolls. Mold it in this shape for dinner rolls. Sprinkle some little flour and drop it in a greased pan. Just mold in a round shape like this. We are done molding the dinner rolls. We'll cover it and let it rise for like 1 hour. This is for the bigger bread. You just share it into two. Spread it and put your sardine and fold it back and drop it on a greased pan. If you're here to subscribe to my channel, please like and share and subscribe, and press the notification button so that you don't miss a thing in this channel, because every new week I drop a new recipe. Thank you for watching. Okay, drop it on a greased pan. Use butter or oil to grease your pan before dropping your bread. Spread it and put your sardine and fold it back. Drop it on a greased pan. Then after this process, you keep it in a warm place and allow it to proof for like 1 hour. Keep your dough in a warm place for it to proof or rise. Thank you for watching. If you find my video helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe. Okay, our bread has proofed, so we are ready to bake. Preheat your oven for like 30 minutes. I just lower the flame. Put your bread and bake. Here is the end results. Thank you for watching. If you have any topic you want us to discuss about, you want us to do for you, drop it at the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye.